So over here is the old original Roman wall. Now Colchester was the first city that Boudica burned down. Yeah, but it's actually Britain's oldest city. You can see where all the red tiles are, where all the flints involved. So currently right now, go back 2,000 years, we're outside Colchester, touching history. Oh, and now it's fallen into my fingers. There's one of the towers. Look how many artifacts archaeologists will have found on here. Now we need to find a way to get inside and see the castle. This is 2,000 years old. Going into the entrance, so go back 2,000 years. We're entering the town. No! So it used to be medieval castle and Temple of Claudius. And underneath here are the Roman remains. Of the Roman temple. Beneath castle bridge, because how do you get into castles that have a moat? A bridge, that's the only way. Unless if you don't have a tunnel. Yeah, see here there might have been columns. And there might have been statue here. Technically we're in the moat, like the Tower of London's one, it doesn't have water in it anymore. Because the Roman temple is here, the castle, it's like towards the back.
Get close.
So over here is the hole in the wall pub, and you can see one arch. There used to be 4. The 2 that aren't there now are supposed to be large horse and carriage ones, whereas the 2 smaller ones are supposed to be pedestrianised ones. So over here is part of the old Roman wall. There's this pub called the Hole in the Wall. And here it is. You can see the Roman wall there. What does this plaque say? It says the bull carrying gate. The west gate of Roman Colchester, in 200 AD, the largest surviving gateway in Roman Britain. And in the other one, it leads into here. Yeah, part of the old guardhouse. And up there is a Victorian water tower. I think Hercules. No, Mercury.
You can go up